What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Oldsmobile Bravada remote key fob. This Bravada key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video so where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using in order to get the remote open is a quarter. If you don't have a quarter available, you can use a flathead screwdriver, but a quarter is really ideal. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down here on the key ring, near the key ring, on the one side we see this notch right here. What I'm going to do is grab my quarter and I'm going to put it in the notch like that. As you can see, it fits in there perfectly. Once that quarter is in that notch like that, then I'm just going to twist the quarter. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the remote case apart. And you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your fingers. And then on the back of the circuit board, we see our battery right here. What I'm going to do is just slide the battery out of that holder. And then I'm going to grab the new battery. And we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. Slide it in that holder. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.